The today's topic is the best stairs you have ever seen. TEDx. Let's start. In the TEDx talk, the best stairs you have ever seen. Hans Rosling, a renowned Swedish statistician, transforms data into an engaging and insightful experience. His presentation take a deep dive in the power of statistics and how they can shape our understanding of global trend, particularly in health, wealth, and development. His approach is not only informative but also entertaining, making complex data accessible and engaging for a broad audience. One of the key takeaways from Rosling's talk is the importance of looking at data in context. He challenged the common misconception about the state of the world by using dynamic visualization, presentation, and moving timeline of global development. Rosling uses animated bubble chart to show how countries' health and wealth have evolved over time. This interactive visualization allows the audience see the progress made and how different regions of the world have growth in relation to one another. It's a refreshing departure of from static bar chart or pie graph and offer a more engaging way to absorb complex data. Soling tells style is equally captivating. He uses humor and personal anecdotes to keep the audience hooked, make the topic of global statics and less like a dry lecture and more like a thrilling discovery. For example, he began by showing how common myths about the state of the world, such as the belief that poor countries are becoming poorer, are often inaccurate. His uses of statistics to be debunk these myths encourages viewers to think critically about the information they encountered in everyday life. The talk also addresses a critical issue: the gap between what people perceive about the world and the actual data. Soling point uh, out Solin out that many people, even those that good educations, are unaware of the significant improvement in the health and wealth they have occurred globally. This disconnect, he argues, can lead the misguided decision and policies by demonstrating how much of the world has improved over time. Resolving underscores the importance of basing opinion on data rather than outdated sa- stereotypes of biased media report. Another important point Rosling highlight is the need for more widespread statistical literacy. He argues that in today's world, everyone should be able to understand the basis of statistics and data analysis. And Rosling show data can be a powerful tool for shaping policies, improving society, and making informed decisions. Yet, too many people, including decision makers, lack the skill to interpret data correctly by making static more accessible and engaging. Roswin hopes to inspire a generation that can think critically about the information it counters. In conclusion, the best that you have ever seen is more than just a TED talk about number. It an eye-opening exploration and how static can reshape our understanding of the world. Hence, resolving dynamic use of data visualization combined with his engaging storytelling make this TEDx talk both educational and entertainment. It reminds us that when we use data correctly, it has the power to challenge our representation, inform our decision, and drive progress on a global scale. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Bye.